Thinking about getting the Wisely debit card? Here's a quick review with the pros, cons, and everything you should know in under 2 minutes. What is Wisely? Wisely is a prepaid debit card offered by ADP, designed for direct deposits like paid tax refunds and government benefits. It works like a regular debit card but without needing a traditional bank account. Pros. Pro number 1, early direct deposit. Get your paycheck up to 2 days early. Pro 2, no credit check. Anyone can apply regardless of credit history. Pro number 3, mobile app. Track spending, set savings goals, and manage your money easily. Fee-free ATMs. Access a large network of ATMs with no withdrawal fees. And that was pro number 4. Pro number 5, secure. EMV chip, account alerts, and fraud protection are included. Cons. Con number 1, limited cash deposit options. Adding cash can be inconvenient or costly. Con 2, some fees apply. Out of network ATM use and inactivity fees may occur. Con number 3, not ideal for budgeting. Unlike banks, there are no detailed spending insights. Con 4, customer support complaints. Some users report slow or unhelpful service. Final verdict: if you want an easy way to get paid early and skip the bank, the Wisely card is a solid option in 2025. But if you deposit cash often or need advanced budgeting tools, you may want to look elsewhere. And that's all for today. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.